We got a killer hacks. Big shout out to Alex Steel Team 6. This is a really good one. If you guys are planning to get this all-time low track saw, brand new track saw with it is a kit with a battery, HP battery, and a charger. It's even lower. You got an HP 18 volt, brushless, cordless, 6.5 track saw with 4 amp hour high output performance battery. And check this out. It's down to $299 from $399. It's down to $299. Killer deal. But check this out. You guys could choose the free gift with purchase. That's the key right there. That's the key to get this really low. Like I said, they've been killing it out there at the Deal Team 6 Facebook group. Big shout out to Alex and other Deal Team 6 members. All right, you're going to get this battery for $85. Not the best deal, right? But check this out. You're going to get the track saw for $213.88. You guys do know how to use the hack. Use it at your advantage. You can return the battery. Obviously, you're going to select both to the house or both to the store. Walk back in, return that battery. Yes, you can no longer cancel one or the other. You do have to walk into the store and then keep the other at a discounted price. That's the way it works. Guys, this is a killer deal. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.